Here we are in the calmness of the ocean. As you can see, the ocean is doing what it's supposed to do. Calm. The water knows its power. It's going through the rock. Free of anxiety. Free of what the rock can do. As you can see, where the rocks are, the water just go around it and go over. If we as a human being can be just like that, if we think of the rock as a resistance that we have, the issues that we face on a daily basis, if you think it's as a problem that we face, we can just act like those rocks or those water. Think the problem as a rock, and we as a free flow water ocean. Just go around it. Go around it if you can. If you can jump over it, jump over it. There's no need to be fast and fume about our daily issues. Without the issues, we'll never know the solutions. That's how we grow. Let today the ocean, this water, teach us lesson of life. Whatever comes your way, tell yourself those have to come so you know what you are made of. What you are made of today. Ask yourself that question. If you feel and fuss, angry, get mad, depressed about issues of life, my friend, you need to check your attitude again. What you are made of. This is a lesson. The day human generation can be free of fast and fear, we will build a better place. We will build the exquisite life. Exquisiteness. God will bring us joy and peace. Love, just like the Creator God. Love that surpasses all things. Yes, so you may know we can create love. We can create love. We just have to know how to handle our daily issues. How to handle those situations that we call problems. Forgetting that with all problems have in itself the solution if we just free ourselves to think of our desires, think of our dreams. We will see soon or later our problem, what we call problem, will dissipate. Just like the water going back around the rock with peace. My friend, build exquisite life. Build the life of peace, life of choice. Yes, we can. Yes, we can firmly, exquisitely build a beautiful life on this what we call heaven. Till next time, I am F.E.M, CEO and President of F.E.M Enterprises LLC. Let us build the exquisite life. Let us firmly, exquisitely build a great and a beautiful life. Till next time, be the